We used to play outside.
Mom? What did you do when you were my age? Like 13?
Oh, it was very different from now. We used to play outside a lot more. We would stay out until the streetlights came on.
Really? No phones or video games?
No, not like you have now. We used to ride our bikes everywhere. My friends and I would explore the woods behind our houses.
Wow, that sounds cool. What about school? Did you have homework every day?
Oh, yes. We used to have a lot of math homework. I would sometimes do it with my friend Sarah at her house after school. We helped each other a lot.
So you used to hang out with friends a lot too?
Yes, we did. My parents would sometimes let us have sleepovers too. That was always fun.
Did you also like watching TV?
We did, but we would mostly be outside or talking. We used to listen to music on a big radio too.
That sounds so simple, but fun.
A clear desk means a clearer mind.
Your desk is always so tidy, Ben. How do you do it? Mine is a mess.
Oh, it's not too hard. I have a system.
Really? Tell me your secret.
Well, everything has a place. My pens are always in this pen holder beside my monitor.
I see. Mine are just scattered.
My important papers go in this tray on the left. And my notebook is always in the top drawer on the left side under the desk. My stapler and hole punch are inside the middle drawer.
That's clever. What do you keep in the bottom drawer?
Scissors and sticky notes, paper clips and envelopes.
What about your files?
All my files are in that big cabinet next to my desk.
So nothing is left on the desk overnight?
No, nothing.
And where are all your cables?
They are tucked away behind the desk, not sprawled across it.
Wow, that's really impressive, Ben. You've given me some good ideas.
Give it a try. A clear desk often means a clearer mind. A busy schedule. What have you got planned for today, Anita?
Oh, let me see. Well, first at 9 a.m. I have a team meeting. It's about the new project.
Right, the big one.
Exactly. Then at 10:30, I need to call the supplier. We need to check on the delivery.
Important call, that.
Yes, very. After that, at 12 o'clock, I'm meeting Mary for lunch. We need to discuss the budget report.
Sounds like a working lunch.
Pretty much. Then later this afternoon at 2:45, I have a quick video call with the London office.
Okay. And after that?
Let's see. At 5:10, I need to finish writing that email to the clients. It's quite long. And finally, at 7 p.m., I have my book club meeting. We're discussing a new novel.
Wow, Anita. That really is a busy day.
Tell me about it. I hope I can fit everything in.
Good luck with it all.
Thanks, Sam. You too.
Checking the dates. Hey, Beth, what are you doing?
Hi, Andrew. Just checking my calendar for next month. It's getting busy.
Oh, really? What's up?
Well, on November 1st, there's that big rock concert we talked about. Are you still going?
Yes, I already bought my ticket. I'm super excited for that.
Me too. Then, on November 2nd, is my sister's birthday. I need to remember to get her a gift.
Oh, that's very important to remember.
Yes, it is. And guess what? On November 15th, my parents are celebrating their 25th anniversary.
Wow, that's a big one. Are they having a party?
Yes, a small dinner. You should come if you're free.
I'd love to.
Great! And then, a few days later, on November 23rd, our team has that big presentation at work. So, lots happening in November.
It sure is.
Happy to help. Hey, Karen, everything okay?
Not really, Paul. I want a soda, but I don't know how to use this thing.
The vending machine? It's easy. I'll show you. What drink do you want?
That one, the orange soda.
Okay. Now, look closely. See the little number next to it?
Oh, yes. It says B3.
Good. That's the item code. You need to type that into the keypad.
Okay. It beeped. What now?
Now you need to put your money in. Do you have coins or a bill?
I have a dollar bill.
See the slot here? Slide your dollar in, face up.
It took it.
Great! Now, just wait a second.
Oh, my soda. It worked. That was actually pretty simple. Thank you, Paul. I really didn't know how to do it.
No problem, Karen. Happy to help. Enjoy your soda.
I will. Thanks again.
Talking about the weather. Hey, Kate, how are you?
Hi, Mike. I'm okay. Just checking the weather for the weekend.
Oh? What does it say?
Not good. For me, anyway. It says cold and rainy. Maybe even some snow flurries on Sunday.
Really? That sounds perfect.
Perfect? Are you serious? I hate cold rain. And snow? It's only November.
I love it. A crisp, cold weekend is my favorite. I can wear my big sweaters and drink hot chocolate. Maybe read a book by the window.
See, that's my nightmare. I want sunshine. I want to be outside. Maybe go for a long walk without freezing. I wish it was at least 70 degrees and sunny. But I prefer hot weather. I can't wait for the summer to come back.
I can't stand hot weather. I feel so sticky. Give me a cloudy, chilly day anytime.
I guess we're very different then. I'll be staying inside, dreaming about summer.
And I'll be enjoying every cold minute of it. Maybe I'll even go for a walk in the rain.
Brr, not me. Well, enjoy your cold weekend, Mike.
You too, Kate. Relax and enjoy yourself. Is there a gas station near here? Oh no.
What's wrong?
Gas. It's very low.
Really?
Yes, almost empty. We need gas now.
Uh-oh.
Is there a gas station near here?
Yes, I think so.
Where is it?
Go straight for a bit. See that pharmacy sign?
Yes, I see it.
Good. You go past that sign. Then turn right at the traffic light.
So turn right at the traffic light. Got it.
Yes, then go straight a little way. The gas station is on your left, next to the supermarket.
So it's next to the supermarket.
Exactly. It's easy to spot.
Perfect. Let's go.
Can you please describe it for me? Hello, Buzzbean Coffee. How may I help you?
Hello, my name is Lily Chen. I was at your restaurant an hour ago.
Okay, Lily, what can I do for you?
I think I left my handbag there. I just got home and it's not with me.
Oh, I see. Can you please describe your handbag for me?
Yes, it's a small bag. It's black.
A small black bag. Is there anything else about it?
Yes, it has a gold chain strap. And there's a little red flower on the front. It's stitched on.
A small black bag with a gold chain and a red flower. Let me check our lost and found. Please hold for a moment. Hello, Lily. Are you still there?
Yes, I am.
Good news! I think I have it right here. It's a small black bag, gold chain, and a red flower on the front. Is that right?
Oh, wonderful! Yes, that's it exactly. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. It's safe here. You can come and pick it up anytime before we close at 10 p.m.
Perfect! I'll be there in about 30 minutes. Thank you again.
No problem, Lily. See you soon.
Bye!
Goodbye.
What's he like? You have Mr. Harrison for math, right?
Yeah, I do. Just had his class.
Oh, cool. I get him next semester. What's he like? Is he strict?
Not really strict. He's actually pretty nice.
Nice? That's good. Is he boring?
No, not boring. He talks clearly. He explains things really well. Today we learned about fractions, and he used pizza to show us.
Pizza? That sounds interesting.
He makes jokes sometimes too. Little ones, but they make class fun.
Oh, so he's funny? That's a bonus. What about homework? Does he give a lot?
Not too much. He gives some, but it's fair. And he says we can ask questions anytime. He really wants us to understand.
Wow, that sounds great. I was a bit worried about him.
Don't be. He's one of the best. You'll like him.
Awesome. Thanks, Jessica. That makes me feel better. What does the job involve?
Hello, Sunnyside Coffee. This is Sarah speaking.
Hi, Sarah. My name is Carl. I'm calling about the job opening. I saw your sign.
Oh, yes, we are hiring. What can I tell you?
What shift is this job?
We need someone for our daytime shift, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m.
Okay, good. What does the job involve? Like, what would I do?
Mostly making coffee, taking orders, and keeping the shop clean. We'll train you.
That sounds good. How much does the job pay an hour?
It starts at $15 an hour.
$15. Got it. I'm definitely interested. What do I need to do next?
You can come in and fill out an application form.
Okay. Thank you for the information, Sarah. I'll come by tomorrow morning to fill out the form.
Sounds good, Carl. We look forward to seeing you.
Thanks again. Bye.
Making an appointment. Hello, Dr. Lee's office. How can I help you?
Hi, my name is Sylvia. I need to see the doctor.
Okay, Sylvia. What day works for you?
Can I come on Monday? In the afternoon?
Let me check. Dr. Lee is fully booked on Monday. No free spots.
Oh, okay. How about Wednesday then? Is Wednesday morning good?
Wednesday? One moment. No, sorry. Dr. Lee has meetings all Wednesday morning, and the afternoon is full too.
Oh dear, this is tricky. What about Thursday? Is Thursday free at all? Maybe late morning?
Thursday? Yes, I have one slot on Thursday at 11 a.m. Would that work for you, Sylvia?
Yes! Thursday at 11 a.m. is perfect for me. Thank you so much.
Great! So, Sylvia, Thursday 11 a.m. with Dr. Lee. Can I confirm your last name?
It's Smith. Sylvia Smith.
Got it. Sylvia Smith, Thursday at 11 a.m. We look forward to seeing you then.
Thank you. Bye. Goodbye.
Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this.